To declutter successfully, you kind of need to be ruthless with yourself. I might need it one day. That's the mindset that I used to have, and it's the entire reason why I'm in the situation now of trying to declutter my home and my life. Having way too many things in my environment is because I held on to everything thinking that I might need it later. If you have the mindset that you might need it later, that is one of the biggest reasons that you might be struggling. It is holding you back. And I want you to try to let go of that mindset, because you might need it later. It's mostly just an excuse. Sure, there might be some things that you actually might need later, but chances are, especially if you have not used it in quite some time, and I'm talking years or even decades, it's time to let go of it. You can pass it on to someone that you know, or you can pass it on to someone who truly needs it, people who really need that helping hand. And letting something collect dust in your home when it's just a gamble that you might need it, and chances are you just won't if you do ever need it later. On the very off chance that you do, are you willing to buy it again? Or is it so valuable that you don't want to buy it again? It's understandable to keep some of those things, but most of the time they're not that valuable, and they could be purchased again on the very small chance that we might need it someday. If this is you and this is why you struggle with decluttering, keep that in mind. You won't need it later. You might, but you probably won't. So drop your questions here. I'm happy to answer specific scenarios for you guys, and, brainstorm on different ways that you can actually start to declutter without any obstacles holding you back. My name is Abby and my channel is Chic Peach, so stick around for more decluttering tips and I'm happy to help. See you next time.